This stunning home is situated in the sought-after De Villiers complex and is ideally located close to all major routes and amenities. This home offers an electronic access gate, ample visitors parking and a double automated garage. The living areas features beautiful floor tiles and elegant downlighters. This home is light and airy, and the living areas flow seamlessly into each other, creating an open-plan design. The lounge is spacious and provides sliding glass doors, leading out onto the covered patio. The dining area provides large windows allowing in ample natural light. The modern kitchen provides a practical layout for preparing the perfect family meal. It offers ample cupboard and worktop space, an electric stove, oven and hob combination, a breakfast nook, and adjoining scullery with room for all major appliances. The kitchen also leads to the covered patio. The living areas are serviced by a guest cloakroom. The spacious bedrooms are carpeted and provide built-in cupboards as well as large windows inviting in the morning sun. A fully tiled bathroom services the bedrooms with a bath, shower, vanity and toilet. The main bedroom is elegantly spacious and features ample built-in cupboard space, as well as an ensuite bathroom. The main ensuite is fully tiled and offers a corner bath, shower, vanity and toilet. The covered patio provides a built-in braai, ample workspace, prep basin and leads out into the garden via sliding glass doors. The garden is well manicured and features an irrigation system. This home is stunning. Be sure to view this home, make an offer and move in.